In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn $1,200 plus just by watching YouTube videos. Now what I mean when I say free, I mean no investment from your side at all. All you will have to invest in this is your free time and some dedication. Also, you can do it from any country in the world, and it is totally easy to do. If you follow me along, the steps are pretty simple and you just need to pay close attention to them. So you can set this up for yourself. And you're just gonna enjoy the profits. There is a lot of money in this, guys. So if you want to make some for yourself, watch the video and let's go. Also, please like the video, because it really helps me, and also subscribe, so you can stay updated. It's that simple. Let's move on to the first website on our list, inboxdodgers.com, which is a well-known platform where many people earn money by watching videos. If you sign up, you'll receive a $5 bonus which can be added to the $10 minimum payout. To earn cash, you can watch videos, take surveys, and shop. However, we'll focus on earning from watching videos since it pays the most. The website earns revenue from businesses that want consumer input, and they share a portion of that revenue with us. You can easily sign up for the website and start earning by watching short videos like movie trailers or product features. Clicking on the purple sign up button at the bottom of the page will get you a $5 bonus. This is a great way to make a significant amount of money online. Moving on to the second app is sproutgigs.com. This is a fantastic site to use if you're looking to make money online as a complete beginner. On this website, users are completing simple tasks. They may even offer you tasks that require you to watch movies on the internet. On the other hand, if you're searching for a fast profit, they can provide you with small projects, which are also quite simple to do. As a result, you will earn decent money straight into your PayPal account. So if you want to make your first cash online, sign up with sproutgigs.com right now, which I'm confident you'll be able to manage on your own. bucksinside.com comes in at number 3. As you can see here, we can get paid every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website. You can just watch a very short video like 10 seconds and you can get paid. The best part about this website is that you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 threshold on their website. They literally show you the latest 250 payments that they send out to people from all over the world. As you can see here, they're accepting people worldwide. They are very transparent when it comes to all the payments that they send out to people. You can see here all the usernames with their country's flags. You can also see all the payment methods, including PayPal, Airtime, Coinbase, Perfect Money, Advanced Cash, and so much more. You can also see their total earnings. Let's say, for example, this guy right here has total earnings of $956 by just watching videos on this website, which is just incredible. Next, this guy right here has total earnings of $1,479, and this one has over $2,385, even over $5,900, which is crazy. This is just from one website. Now, make sure to keep watching to know all of these 4 websites before you go in and try them out yourself. So in order to get started with boundless.com, you need to sign up for a free account to do so. Just click on this register button right up here and that's going to take you to the Bucks Inside registration form where you need to create a username. Enter your login or payment email address and under the referral section you can just leave it blank. Next, just choose your preferred currency for cashing out and choose your preferred payment method for the payment methods. You can see here you can choose from PayPal, Advanced Cash, Perfect Money, Coinbase, and Airtime. Okay, so that's it, guys. Make sure to join my Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.